Hey, what's up, you guys? This is Ninja XTX. Today, what I will be showing you guys is a request from Susanoo58. A while back, he asked me to do a video on the defensive capabilities of a claw hammer. But unfortunately, that video got deleted when I accidentally deleted half my videos, but I'm putting this one back on as a request from him. What I will be showing you guys today is just the basics of how to use a hammer as a weapon. Now, this particular hammer has been in my family for at least 3 or 4 generations. But it still holds up. I still use it when I'm doing things around the house, such as hanging pictures, fixing whatever I can get my hands on. But it can also be used as a defensive weapon in a pinch. What I'm going to be showing you guys is just some basics of it. Okay, now notice my rear hand is protecting my center line, as always. Now, you can either come straight down with a hammer or a diagonal strike, as if it was a roof block with a kali stick or tomahawk. Basically, you're aiming for the top of the head, the side of the head, back around, and what we're forgetting is the hook part of it. When you're coming back around, you can hook and rip whatever you need to. Now, when you hook and rip, that will usually take the bite out of the person. Now, let's say the person is more aggressive than you originally thought. Turn the hammer around, like so, and immediately engage the hammer, the hook part of it, because, boom, if you hook a person and let's say you hook the inside of their arm, you can control that person by hooking the inside of their arm. Basically, they will walk where you want them to walk. Then you can come in and drive the hammer into their solar plexus. Or you can drive the butt of the hammer into their solar plexus right away, following up with the hook and the rip. Most of these techniques that I've learned have come from the karma or the karambit or the tomahawk. But you just have to play around with it and see what you're most comfortable with doing. I'm gonna throw a quick freestyle on here so you guys can see what I mean. Hold on just a second. Thank you very much. And one world, one love. If you have any questions, comments, or requests, please send them to my YouTube account. Please take care of yourselves and each other. One world, one love. And oh yes, ladies and gentlemen, tomorrow, don't forget to listen to the Denny Ainsworth Show on www.funseekers.net. It's a great show from 9:07 till noon Eastern Time. If you're seeing this in other time zones or other countries, catch them on the repeat that will air throughout the days. On tomorrow, I will be back with my last video in this Train the Mind series on my self-defense tips. Thursday, I will be back doing a video for my weapons corner on the comma. Friday, I will be back with my regular philosophy video. Saturday, I will be back with a another entry in my nunchaku progression log. I think this is entry 7. Sunday, I have something very special planned. I have a training partner that is going to help me show some single stick and maybe even some knife disarmed. I'm not sure what we're going to do yet, but I'll work that out before Sunday gets here. As I said, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, please send them on my YouTube account, and I will get to them as soon as possible. Thank y'all. Love y'all. Bye-bye.